I like to think that if I was shipwrecked on a deserted island in the middle of the Bahamas, not only would I get super buff and really tan, I'd invent a drink like this in my free time. That or be dead inside a week. Welcome once again to COVID Cocktails. I am still John Weisbarth, your host, and we are breaking format yet again today on the show. I mean, one could argue that less than 10 episodes in, we're more searching for a format than, say, breaking format, but whatever. The point is, we're doing something different. We're making a cocktail I've never made before. Boom! Right? Shocking! Not that shocking. Not as big of an alcoholic as maybe you all think. But this is a cocktail called a Shipwrecked that was the brainchild, or is the brainchild, of a man named Sother Teague, who is a mixologist, bartender, who published a book that my wife got me for my birthday. Actually, you know what? Hang on, let me grab it. So, wife got me this book. It's super cool. I'm just here for the drinks, Sother Teague. I love it. It's got a lot of history in cocktails. So on and so forth. Not a sponsor, just a really cool book. So I'm gonna make one of the cocktails that I thought sounded fun. So, what makes up this cocktail? Well, dark rum for one, Mescal for two. Hello, my old friend, El Silencio. Yes. And then a little bit of agave nectar. By the recipe, not just some sweetener that I substitute agave nectar for, actually calls for agave nectar, which is why I like it. And then a lime. I'm excited to see what this thing is gonna taste like. Shipwrecked. All right, we are gonna start by grabbing some ice. Here we go. Oh, you know what I didn't do yet? And we'll just do it now since you're kind of already here. If you're still here, you're invested, right? How about we subscribe? Let's just, here, I'll just move this over so it can get in here on the board. Nice. There. Subscribe, just like it says below me. Tell a friend, let's have some fun. Let's continue to grow this community, okay? Also, while I'm thinking of it, I'm making a recipe I've never made before today, right? Well, why don't you comment and send me your recipes that I've never made before? I don't know if it's a family cocktail or something that your uncle used to make. I don't really care, or just your take on a classic cocktail. I'd love to kind of try making these new ones. Like, literally, I have never made a Shipwreck before. I have no idea what it tastes like. I don't even know if it's good, but we're gonna find out. So I think that's kind of fun. Maybe we do that every other week or something. Who knows? Anyway, actually that got out of here long ago, didn't it? That's okay. I don't have to make the sound effects. I have that. There we go, that's better. Okay, enough. Speaking of birthdays, not only did I get that book for my birthday, my buddy Jake got me this bottle of rum for my birthday. Thanks, Jake. Here we go. Brand new. I haven't even gotten into it yet. So, let's do it. Okay, this calls for 1.5 ounces of rum, which is perfect. That's what I have here. 1.5 ounces rum. It calls for 1/2 ounce of Mescal. We'll do our best. Okay. Oh, gosh. Okay, that's fine. Okay, it goes another 1/2 ounce of agave nectar, which makes me think you got to put a pretty good amount in there. And then the lime. Oh, gosh! Got a case of the drops. That's okay. That one's the little, you know what? A little cobwebby down there. It's fine now. All right, give it a good roll. Okay, we're gonna go 1/2 of a lime here, and you're supposed to garnish it with a lime wheel. So as we've learned before, cut it right down the middle, not lengthwise. So I'm gonna cut her in 1/2. Awesome. That gives me that section for the pretty lime wheel, which we'll get to in a moment. For now, lemon squeezer, funny, works just as well for limes. Go figure. And there we go, nice and juicy. Good. As is always the case on this show, I forgot to think about how we're gonna serve this. And we're gonna serve it in a coupe glass. The point is this, I need to chill the coupe glass. I always forget to do that. Which is just like, I guess just proves the point that I'm not an actual mixologist. But that's fine, right? You're not a mixologist either. Yeah? So we'll let this bad boy chill a little bit. I used to think kind of chilling the glass was a little bit of a mixologist thing to do, but actually it makes a big difference. You know, when you're just putting a chilled cocktail into a chilled glass, that's gorgeous. So, I don't know. I subscribe to that now. All right, let's shake her. Okay. Nice and frothy. Put that there. Okay. Boom. Strain right into the coupe. Oh, it smells really good. I can already smell that lime. Now we are just going to garnish with the lime wheel. There we go. Okay, looks pretty. Oh. Okay, this is the Shipwrecked. This is literally the first time I've ever made it. I've never tasted it. We've got Mescal, we've got rum, we've got lime juice, we've got agave nectar. It's got a good color to it. I'm really picking up that lime, which I think is gonna cut through a lot of this. I'm curious what the Mescal's gonna do. Like, is it gonna be smoky? I mean, right? Here we go. I'm nervous, gosh, I don't know why. All right, here we go. This is crazy, this is crazy, this is crazy. All right, cheers, here comes the Shipwrecked. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is delicious. Oh my gosh. I mean, wow. The Mescal comes through in a big way, but doesn't overpower. It's just that nice little smoky flavor in there. I actually think I put too much agave nectar in because it's still very sweet. That sweet and smoky though is very nice. And then yeah, and then like the lime, the citrus from the lime, it kind of, I don't know, gives it this fruitiness to it. So it's sweet, I think too sweet. I think I put too much of this in. But it's sweet, it's fruity because of the rum and the lime, and then it's also smoky from the Mescal. It's super good. If I make it again, I'm gonna make, if I make it again, when I make it again, I'm gonna use less agave nectar, but holy smokes, this is good. So I thought maybe it was called a Shipwrecked because it was like, you're gonna get wrecked when you have one of these. I think it's called a Shipwrecked now because it's so damn delicious, you wanna get shipwrecked and just drink these things. Amazing! First time cocktail, this one's a winner. Make this at home. You already got the Mescal from the Smokin' Dove, right? You remember that episode over here? It's just me trying to get more people to watch. Cheers, COVID cocktails and the Shipwrecked cocktail. This is amazing. Send me your cocktails so I can discover things like this.
Make sure to ring that notification bell and smash that like button. See you next time.
What he said.